Imagine reaching thousands of people with beautiful, inspiring Bible prayers without needing expensive equipment or being on camera. Today, I'll show you how to create professional Bible prayer videos step by step using AI and simple editing tools so your content shines and touches hearts. Whether you want to generate your own prayers, add authentic voiceovers, create stunning visuals, or even auto-generate subtitles, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a full workflow to make your own Bible prayer videos that look like they took hours, but actually took minutes. Step 1. Generate the Bible prayer. Use AI text generation tools like ChatGPT or Claude AI to create prayers, but I prefer to write my own prayer. Avoid using AI too much, but you can use AI to generate the prayer and then edit the prayer according to your preferences. Open ChatGPT and enter the following prompt. Write a 2-minute Bible prayer about gratitude and hope, inspired by Psalm 23 in a calm and inspiring tone. Keep prayers short. 2 to 3 minutes is ideal for YouTube. Use simple language, better voiceover results. Add Bible verses or references to make it authentic. The prayer has been generated, so edit the prayer according to what you want. Add some text. Remove the text that you don't want. This helps the prayer to sound human and not robotic. Step 2. Add voiceover. You can use AI-generated voice or record yourself. Use your phone or microphone. Speak slowly, clearly, and with emotion. Save as .mp3 or .wav file for editing. This will add human effort, and YouTube might not flag your video has low-quality content. For this, I will use AI to generate voiceover. I will use 11 Labs, open 11 Labs, sign in, and you are good to go. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the prayer, and then paste the prayer into 11 Labs. Choose a calm, serene voice for prayer videos. Generate the voice and download. Step 3. Generate images for visuals. Use AI image generation for relevant visuals. So I will use Leonardo to generate the images. Go back to ChatGPT and ask the following prompt. Create 6 image prompts for the prayer above with spiritual image depicting a person and nature, surrounded by soft, glowing light and peaceful nature. Elements such as gentle rays of sunlight, blooming flowers, and a calm sky. The scene should evoke feelings of tranquility, devotion, and hope. Use warm, soothing colors with a focus on gentle textures and a harmonious composition. Keep the style consistent, same lighting and color palette. Go to Leonardo AI, sign in. Every day, Leonardo gives you 150 free credits. These are enough to generate the images we want. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt and paste it to Leonardo, and wait for some minutes for the images to be generated. Choose the one you like and download it. Repeat the process to all prompts and generate all the images. Step 4. Turn images into videos. Go back to ChatGPT and enter the following prompt. Transform the 6 static prayer image into 6 scenes with a gentle, calming video animation. Include subtle movements such as soft, glowing light pulsation, slow drifting petals or leaves, and a slight camera zoom or pan to enhance the feeling of peaceful meditation. The animation should be smooth and soothing, with a warm color palette and a tranquil atmosphere. For this, I will use Grok AI. Open Grok AI, go to Imagine tab and change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and choose Images to Video option. Upload the first image to Grok AI, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video scene and paste it to Grok AI and wait for some minutes for the video to be generated. Now we have the video. Repeat the same process to all scenes. Step 5. Edit video on Shotcut Video Editor. Import the video from Grok AI or compiled images, plus voiceover. Cut unnecessary part. Adjust audio levels for voiceover and background music. Apply smooth transitions. Add subtitles. Generate the captions. Ensure subtitles match voiceover timing. Add soft background music to close. And there you have it, your own Bible prayer video, fully edited and ready to share, all using AI tools and Shotcut. Start creating, inspire others, and let your prayers reach hearts around the world. Subscribe for more. If you want me to make tutorial on Shotcut Video Editor, let me know in the comments section.
Heavenly Father, thank you for this moment of peace. Thank you for the breath in my lungs and the quiet reminder that I am not alone. Your word says in Psalm 23, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." Today, I hold on to that truth. You are my provider, my guide, and my protector. Lord, even when life feels uncertain, you lead me beside still waters. You restore my soul. Thank you for the calm you bring in the middle of chaos. Thank you for the small blessings I often overlook, the strength to keep going, the light in dark moments, and the hope that rises again each morning. Father, help me to trust you more. When I walk through difficult seasons, remind me of your promise. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me.